I have seen many of beginners struggling on making the portrait look three-dimensional. So, for this video, I have come up with some usual mistakes through which your drawing does not look realistic and their respective keys. Hi friends, I'm Dhruvi Kakkar and my content is all about guidance for art and drawing videos. I appreciate you for joining the video and hope you see the video till the end. Starting with the first mistake, which is drawing from a poor reference picture. Reference picture matters a lot in the process of drawing. Your results directly depend from the image you draw. So, the answer of how to select good reference picture is to select the picture in which details, shadows, highlights, midtones are visible clearly with good lighting. There are many applications available, specially made for artists, mainly Unsplash, Pixabay, Pinterest, etc. You can also use Remini app for enhancement of your reference pictures. Moving on, the second mistake is to directly start the drawing. Before starting the drawing, observation should be made in the mind. A rough sketch should be there in your mind. Observe the dark, medium and the light parts of the picture. See the way light hits the surfaces and the microscopic details. It would really help in drawing easily. So, the third mistake is not having the patience, which is underrated. We always desire to finish drawing quickly and get the perfect outcome. But if we don't get the desired results, we lose our hope and think that maybe I was not made to draw. Drawing is a skill that you learn. It's not hidden naturally in any one of them. So, just put more focus on enjoying the process rather than the destination. This will help to draw more for fun and less for the goal. So believe the process and one day you'll surely reach your desired destination. We always expect for the outcome to be perfect. All we want after all is to be able to draw something great here and now. Yes, of course, our goal is obviously to create good drawing, but they cannot be created without drawing a lot of bad sketches first. You may have a thought like, why keep drawing if I can't draw anything? Once again, drawing is a skill like everything else, and failing is the process of learning a skill, which is totally normal. So, to become a good artist, lower down your expectations first and start admiring your bad sketches, and after all, just accept the reality. Just like the reference picture, the surface you draw on equally matters for results. Try to find the perfect surface based on your medium. For example, use smooth paper with high GSM for charcoal and graphite mediums, and watercolor paper for watercolors. The paper you need for graphite is not the same kind you would be using for colored pencil. You can't blend charcoal on a hard surfaced paper, and charcoal would give best results if put on a smooth paper. So, try selecting the surface accordingly based on mediums. Once you get inspiration to draw something good and you start to draw, but it turns out the drawing does not look the same of what you expected and you lose your spirit. Damn, an art block. Then you stop drawing for a while and lose motivation. Your practice of many hours goes into water. Then, after some time you gather enough motivation and sit back to draw and you realize you have forgotten everything. Hence, after all, repetition is the key to learning. Keep practicing every day for maximum about half an hour, and slowly and gradually your skills would start improving. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.